Welcome to the 2-bedroom here at Parkhurst 1. It is so fabulous.
With access to a variety of amenities, including recreation at the historical and world-famous Devon House, dining and hospitality at the Terra Nova All Suites Hotel, shopping at Waterloo Square, and groceries at Megamart Waterloo Road, has been, for many years, prime investment for luxury apartments and housing targeting CEO, executives, diplomats, and the likes, who maintains offices in the neighboring corporate business district of New Kingston. Along with several embassies and high commission lining its banks, the thoroughfare is home to some of the capital's oldest apartment complexes, and at the same time, some of the most modern, including its newest Parkhurst 1 at 11A Waterloo Road. A brand new 8-floor high-rise, Parkhurst 1 isn't only a stunning work of architecture to the wandering eye, but boasts super attractive amenities that add sleekness and stylishness to strata living. Take the virtual tour of this JN Bank Finance development by Brand Unlimited with Rebecca to find out more.
This unit is 1,064 square feet, and this particular unit is on the 2nd floor. I love so many things about this unit, but first of all, I just have to point out to the large living and dining space that you have here, which is great for entertaining. You can really do a lot with this space. So here is our serve through. What's great is when you're in your kitchen and you're preparing that meal for your family or friends, you can look out and see the hills in Jamaica. It's so incredible, beautiful pendant lights. It's a very, very sexy kitchen, quite fabulous indeed. Has all the great features that you'd want in a kitchen, and it comes fully loaded with oven and cooktop and range hood and beautiful sink and all these things. It's just great. Your laundry area is through here as well, right? Which comes with your inline water heater as well as your wash tub. You have a space here for a nice double door fridge. Maybe one of those nice double door fridges that have the freezer on the bottom with a pull out drawer. That would be great. We're through now to the bedroom area. So let me show you this bathroom now. This bathroom would act as the bathroom for bedroom number 2, but also as a guest bathroom as well. This is bedroom number 2. So you can easily fit a queen size bed in here. It has really great windows, fabulous closet space. And again, it's just bright, airy, incredible. You know, you just don't see this in a lot of apartments, you know, with this kind of space. It's laid out very well, an excellent floor plan. Right through here, we have the master bedroom, which is incredible, right? Super large room. I love this little nook for your TV here. You can have it mounted there. Your bed can be facing out to the view. You have a view on either side. Super incredible. And of course, a very, very sizable closet indeed, which is important. And your master bathroom. Now what's great is that the master bathroom in here has a double sink, his and hers, if you will. Or in my case, hers and hers, and he may get one little drawer if he's lucky. 2 towel racks, which is great, his and her towel racks, and a fabulous walk-in shower. Lots of room to boot in here, very modern kind of Balinese style wet shower. And yeah, and so this is the 2-bedroom here at Parkhurst 1. It's 1,064 square feet of fabulous nests.
Love what you saw? Well, this and any other property could be yours through a JN Bank mortgage. The mortgage pre-approval process is a critical first step towards home ownership. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is crucial as it provides proof to the real estate agent and the seller of the purchaser's financial capability towards securing a mortgage. Here's what you need to get pre-approved. Visit www.jnbank.com. Click Mortgages and go to the Mortgage Center. 2. Call or email one of our JN Bank representatives. 3. Have documents detailing your income and expenses ready. These include your most recent payslips or income verification letter, driver's license, passport, or another valid identification, a completed statement of affairs showing your monthly income and expenses. This form will be presented to you by the JN Bank representative. Completed credit report form, which will be presented to you by your JN Bank representative. If you reside overseas, you will also require your credit score. After we've completed your assessment, we will hand you your pre-approval letter. This is basically a short document that will give you an idea of the price of the property you can afford. Take your pre-approval to your realtor and start your conversation. The units are going fast, so don't delay.
Come on.